Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk about the untamed potential within each one of us. Imagine a seed buried deep within the soil. At first glance it seems insignificant, overshadowed by the towering trees and blooming flowers around it. But within that seed lies a universe of possibility. Each one of us carries a seed of greatness within. It's easy to feel small and overshadowed by the successes and talents of others. But remember, your journey is uniquely yours. Just as a seed needs time, nourishment, and care to grow, so do our dreams and ambitions. Do not fear the darkness of the soil. It is there that your roots find strength. Do not rush the process. Growth takes time. Embrace every challenge as a raindrop nourishing your spirit, every setback as a gust of wind strengthening your resolve. Believe in the power of your own potential. You are not defined by the obstacles you face, but by how you choose to overcome them. Stand tall, reach for the sky, and let your unique light shine brightly. In the vast forest of life, there is space for every seed to become a mighty tree. So, nurture your dreams with unwavering faith, relentless effort, and boundless love. Your time to bloom is near, and when you do, the world will be in awe of the beauty you bring forth. Thank you.